What's good, YouTube? What's up, Sneaker World? It's your guy JU there 12, aka Bubble, back with another one. And today I'll be giving you guys a quick review of the Jordan 1 Flyknit BHM, or Black History Month. And as always, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. I appreciate that. And let's continue to grow the channel, and I appreciate all the love and support for the ones who've been rocking with me. We're continuing to grow the channel each day, so I thank you guys for that. Now, we're going to get into these. These suckers are mad stupid. These are the Jordan 1 Flyknit BHMs. And just to give you guys a quick view of these, I'll let you see the box in there. On the box, you have your regular black Jumpman box, but instead of the Jumpman logo there, you have the BHM in gold right there, and just everything else is just a regular, nothing spectacular on it. But you have your let you see the tag there, and these were retailed at $180, and I was able to I got my pair off of Nike.com, and they actually went pretty quick on Nike.com. And I know on a lot of the other sites, they had them and they were set for back order, but I don't know, somehow they had back order, but they were shipping them out. I don't know, but it was weird. It's something dealing with their warehouse, but Nike.com, they went pretty quick. But let you guys look at this even better. Get you a better look at that. All right, you got your Flyknit there on your toe box in red and green there. You got your all black wings logo there. Your swoosh there, all black leather. On the tongue there, which is, I mean, Jordan brand Nike, I salute to you guys on 2018 is getting better and better, so it started out kind of slow, but I think y'all listening to us. But on these, you know, your tongue was inspired by the Pan-African flag there. You got that in gold, the Nike Air. And this tongue is leather, if you can't tell from my camera. But, yeah, that's leather there. But, I mean, they knocked it out the park with that on the side. The bottom of these suckers are mad stupid. I'm loving this, how they did this on the bottom, on your outsole. Salute to you guys on that. Got your Nike there. Now, and let you see the inside of it. There you go. Good look. Now, this on the inside of your tongue, you got your BHM in gold letter in there, in leather. Mad stupid. Gold lace tips. Inside, you got your Nike right there. And all the Flyknits, you have that leather insole, which is mad dope. Alright, here on the inside there, I know I have a lot of people. Now, what's the date? What is this? 11/22/2016. Well, that's that 10 there is for my size, as always. I wear a size 10. And this date here, now that's when President Barack Obama rewarded Michael Jordan the Presidential Medal of Freedom Reward. And that's the date. 11/22 is when he did that. So for those who who didn't know, so. But yeah, man, this is these are the Jordan 1 Flyknit BHMs. And as always, you guys check me out on my other social media accounts. I'm on IG, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, all under JU there 12. And I'm going to go ahead and sign out here, guys, just to give you a quick review. Get you a good look at that one more time. But this is JU there 12, guys, aka Bubba. Stay positive, guys. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.